I'm Mitch Cavanah. I'm the executive chef at RPM Italian. I'm here today with Pilot Light Family Meal. We're going to be making breakfast for dinner, but we're going to be focusing on cinnamon bread. It's my mom's recipe that she's had for over 35 years, and I want to share it with everybody. We're going to start with a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg. We're going to mix that up just until the egg is kind of broken down and everything is kind of starting to come together. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of buttermilk. You can use regular milk if you don't have any buttermilk on hand, but the acidity in buttermilk really adds a nice touch to the finished bread. So mix that together. And then we're going to add in our dry ingredients. We have 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then 2 cups of flour. Mix that all up until we get a nice, smooth batter. Should just take a minute or so. Now we have our nice, smooth batter. Now we're going to put it into a prepared loaf pan. So I took a little bit of pan spray down, and then I cut some parchment paper just to fit, and then put some more pan spray just to make sure that the bread comes out of the pan nice and easy. So we're going to take 1/3 of the batter. We're going to drop it in the pan, trying to spread it out nice and smooth. And then we're going to take a little mixture. It's 1/3 cup of sugar and 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. And what we're going to do is we're going to just sprinkle a little bit on this layer before we add the next round of batter. So we're going to do we're going to take that second third of the batter and spread it out nice and smooth again. And we'll top it with some more of the cinnamon sugar mixture. You want to be a little bit generous with this because it's going to make a really nice crust on the top of the bread. So now we're going to place this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 50 to 60 minutes until you place a cake tester through and it comes out clean. So after about 50 minutes, we take the cinnamon bread out of the oven. Let it rest on a rack until it's just cool enough so you can get it out of the pan. So after it's done, we'll cut it open and give you guys a quick little look at what it looks like. Nice and still warm in the middle. So what we like to do at our house is for breakfast, for dinner, I cook up a little bit of eggs, some bacon, and then we put a nice big piece, nice warm piece of cinnamon bread right on there too. It's a great dinner, also a great snack for the kids or for the adults. Thanks for joining me. Tag us on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram at Pilot Light Chefs, #PLFamilyMeal. Visit the Food Education Center and click on Family Resources for today's recipe. You can also check out additional activities to do related to today's recipe and for additional family lessons and videos.
We want to know how you and your family are enjoying this recipe and making it together. So tag us. Find us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Pilot Light Chefs, #PLFamilyMeal.